Shout out to the Made It Club new members. I appreciate each and every one of you. So getting right into this, I'm gonna go ahead and create an extra artboard just so that I can have like my photos and stuff out here on the side. So the theme for this banner is going to be like denim, jeans, whatever. And we're gonna add like, I love this picture. Is this the same person? Well, these are AI stock models, so technically it's the same person. How many photos is this? 5. I think I want to use all of them. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the background from all of them, and then we're gonna get into it. Hey y'all, are you learning from my content and want to show your support for my channel? Well, now you can with Super Thanks. All you have to do is look for the Super Thanks icon under this video, click on it, and choose one of the different donation amounts. It's a great way to show your appreciation for my hard work and dedication to bringing you the best content possible. So if you're feeling generous, click on the Super Thanks icon to make a donation. Thank you so much for your support. Now let's get back into this video. So now we have our models ready, and we're gonna come over here to create our actual banner. I think I want the background to be white, but I may do it like a really light blue. I guess we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to create some rectangles, and this is just where my color palette is going to go. I like to create a color palette just in case I need to use colors throughout the design, and sometimes Photoshop doesn't like save the colors. You know how if you use Canva, it'll have like document colors and you could just pick from the same colors you've been using. I don't trust Photoshop with that. Sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't, and yeah, we're not doing that. So I'm just gonna select this first one. It doesn't matter how many squares you're gonna use, you might not use all of them, but I'm just gonna go to fill and click this colorful box here, and it brings up the solid color option. Once you slide over out this menu, your color picker tool comes up, and you can choose whatever colors you want to use. This is just something like I could do like a background or like fonts and stuff, this color, just to add a little detail to the design. I know I want white to be one of those colors, which I don't really need a box for it, but since it's there, I like this darker one like real bad, and I guess I'll delete this other one because I don't think I need it. Now we can get into the design. Okay, so what I'm going to do is make a rectangle across the desktop, Macs, tablet, and phone area. I don't know if I want it white. I'm gonna use this blue. See how recently used colors, it'll have them right here. Sometimes it won't have the colors, and it's always when you expect it to. So I just like to make my little color palette boxes just in case. So for this one, I'm gonna turn the opacity down. One reason being so I can see the template. Well, actually I don't need it because of the guidelines. If you are just using like a photo of this template, then you would turn your opacity down so that you can see what where everything needs to be. But for this, I don't need it because I do have those lines right there, which I didn't think about. All right, so which model do we want to use first? I'm going to do is just start dragging in the elements that I want to use for the design and placing them just to figure out where I want everything to go. All right, so these are the photos that I want to use for for the actual banner. All right, so what I'm going to do, this model is just so gorgeous. Okay, I am going to find that element again. Which is in here somewhere. And of course it needs to be brought to the front. I don't know why it's all the way back there anyways. Oh, I like this, y'all. I like this. All right. So now we have the name of the channel. I just got to get my thoughts together, my ideas for it. But I do like this. I'm going to center it, not center it, put it in the middle. Yeah, center it. Kind of want, because I don't want to like not have them be the main focus, but I love this. I think I'm gonna do it like down a little bit. Okay, let me turn it off so I can move this stuff around. I forgot I said let me turn it off. I was about to have a fit. And I want this one, this photo in the middle. And I don't know if I want them in front or... And then what I'm going to do is group them all together. So I'm going to select each one, right click and group them. Well, no, I'm going to merge them. And the reason why I'm doing that, is so I can like move them all at one time and also erase and fade them out the way that I want. So I have my eraser tool. I just press E on the keyboard. So I'm just going to come to the ends and get these hard lines out of the photos like that. And then there was one, oh, I thought she had one on her, but I guess not. I know the one in the middle did, but it looks like the other ones are fine. But just for the sake of it looking the same on both sides, I'm going to do a little bit on this one. Ooh, okay, let's turn this back on and see. See, I don't like how it covers her face. I don't know. All right, so I'm kind of wanting to grab one of the other photos. Oh, they up here. Why are y'all all the way up here, honey? The party's down here. And I'm going to grab one and copy it just so we can have something on this outside portion. But what I'm going to do is just turn the opacity down on this one because she's not the main focus. This part right here is the main focus to that. All right, you see how this is hanging off. So if you're watching this on the desktop, it would be hanging off here. What you can do is erase this bottom portion and that'll get rid of that, or you can just put like a box over it to cover it that way. I'm just go ahead and erase it. All right, I kind of feel like I should have used a different font for both of them, but I like this font. Or maybe her name shouldn't be as big. I feel like I'm running out with it. So I'm gonna make it smaller. All right, so this one, oh, I didn't know it had like a drop shadow on it. Okay, because I was gonna add, I may still add it just to see what it looks like. So I'm just gonna come over here and double click the smaller text. Yeah, see, I want it to be more out when it comes to this top portion. So I'm gonna play around with these drop shadow settings and see. I like right there, that was perfect. And turn the opacity up just to make it darker. The only thing is I don't want it on the bottom. I just kind of want it on the top. All right. Let's go with that. Okay. Ooh, y'all look at Chloe Malone. I just gave this lady a name. Another thing that I want to do is add the name, because y'all gonna know her name, okay? Chloe Malone. And I want to add it in the back. Or do I want it over here? I feel like I should have... I don't know if I want her here. Like, you're getting kicked out. Like, you know, like this. I guess I'll put it on both sides. That way. Maybe. Let me not speak too soon. So for this, I think I want it to be white. So I'm just going to come over here under properties, change it to white, and turn the opacity down. Let me see what the fill one looks like. Yep, that's what I want. That's what I want. That's what I want. So right here under layers, I just went to the fill option and turned it down. This right here always give me like what is it called? Like, you know how when you write on the mirror in the bathroom, that's what that always gives me. I think I want to, let's see what it looks like. Black. Yeah, this one. Now that's what I'm talking about. All right. So I'm going to move this behind the models. And hello. I'm going to press the Alt button and just click and drag for the second one. No, because I like this. I think this is cute. I don't know what happened to the template just then, but yeah. I kind of, because I don't want this one to be like all the way readable. What is legible? I don't know, child. I'm a designer, not a writer. Y'all, this is cute. It's giving, okay? It's giving. To figure out if I want to add, you know how they put the Instagram name and stuff on it, but now like I'm starting to see that people don't really too much use that anymore on their banners. So this honestly could be it.